God, you're doing so good.
Turn, Tucker, turn. Turn to Mommy and Greg. You gotta practice. Yay! I'm so proud of you, Tucker.
Go for a ride. Ride around in circles, man. You can keep going.
Just watch where you're going.
Whoa.
Wow.
Was that cool?
That was really cool. Keep going.
I can't believe you're riding a bike, Tucker.
Why do you hold me with the bounce right here and then they're going to get all themselves? Well, I ride by myself and stop.
Yay, Tucker. Turn, Tucker, you're gonna hit the wall. Turn, turn, turn. I can't believe he's riding a bike.
That is incredible.
That's so funny to see him riding a bicycle. Now if we could just get him to learn the rules of the road. Yay.